As promised, this is my way of sanitizing and disinfecting my chicken. I use a lime to disinfect. This time, you can use a lime or lemon because they have very good disinfectant properties. It won't change the taste or the texture of your chicken. So that is what I use. Um, and I just cut a lime in half, and I basically give the chicken drumsticks a little bath with water and lime juice. Um, this time it was a lot of membrane and stuff on the drumsticks up under the skin, so I used the lime to scrub off the chicken um, and get all of the membrane off. It's not gonna be squeaky clean, but it's close enough. As you can see, I'm pulling off any of the excess membrane that is on the outside of the chicken, and I use my limes to scrub, disinfect, and it helps me get the membrane off. So when you are cleaning your chicken, if you choose to do so, I would suggest using a lime or a lemon. If you don't, you could just give it a little bath with some vinegar and water. Maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar and water, and let it soak in that mixture for a few minutes, and then I wet pat dry it and then get ready for seasoning. Meaning I will pull out all the seasonings that I'm going to use for my chicken. The basics are garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. If you have adobo, if you want it a little spicy, throw some cayenne in there, and just season it as much as possible. I usually don't have a set amount that I season with, but a tablespoon, teaspoon, however you want to do it. I basically just stop when the ancestors tell me it's seasoned enough. Maybe, you can season it until you maybe sneeze or something. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can kind of eyeball it. But I will be seasoning this and also adding onions, peppers, and a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil to the chicken, and let it marinate for a few minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes in the refrigerator. And then that will be that for this chicken. I will cook it on 350 for about 45 minutes. And it will be flavorful as well as delicious for your family. And I don't like chicken legs, but these I'll eat. If y'all want, I can show you how to season y'all chicken. All right, bye.